here's a tour of this website. Just scroll down. You can use this video to help yourself out if you're stuck at home, you're not really sure what's going on, what to do. You just click on the unit that we are currently working on, and then here you'll see the instructions. Yellow is stuff that you absolutely have to do. Green is stuff you should be doing, but in the event of needing to catch up quickly, you can skip that. And then this cyan color is what you're striving to do. So that's the type of assignment that the high scoring students are going to end up getting. Judge yourself. Each lesson once each lesson is finished, you don't have to do any more. Like if you do just all of the yellow stuff, that's it. You can stop right there and come see me, and you'll get an exit ticket. The exit tickets will be found from me until I figure out if I want to change things up. But essentially, it's a quick quiz that is checking your understanding on the material that was covered in each lesson. So the exit ticket must be completed in the independent work area of the class, so that's just to make sure there's no cheating, anything like that going on. Now when you take the exit ticket, you do need to score 80% or higher to move on. If you score less than 80%, you can go back and do some more work, maybe some of that green work that we'll see in just a second, or maybe some of the cyan, or just asking me some specific questions, things that you really have no clue on. At the end of each unit, we'll review and then we'll take a test. Everybody takes a review and test at the same time. Occasionally we have to have a whole class activity, so be on the lookout for those. They'll be noted. All activities should be completed cooperatively with one partner, unless it's noted otherwise. Before you ask me a question, please ask 3 of your classmates this question. If it's how do I work in Stellarium, or how do I make a graph, ask each other, that kind of stuff. If it's things more content related, if you're unsure of the difference between an equinox and a solstice, that's the kind of stuff that you're going to come to me and ask. By doing this, that frees me up to take time with people who are struggling in class and can really bring them up. If the people you do ask just have no clue and they're useless to you, then come see me. If it's underlined, it's a link. That's your first hint. All right, so exploration 1, motions of the sky, sun in the sky. So we start here, the exploration. Each unit is broken down into 4 explorations, and each exploration is further broken down into several activities. So for the first mini unit is exploration 1, motion of the sun in the sky, or the first lesson. And within each lesson there is activity 1. You're going to complete the activity. It's underlined, so we can go ahead and click on it, and it's going to pull it up. Here we go. So here's some pages and what you should be doing, some instructions. Okay. Watch the video, green, so that means you should be watching it, and then complete vocabulary. Activity 2, it tells you basically what you need to be doing for each activity. You can click on it again, and it's going to pull up the relevant pages. Skill builder required. Activity 3, green is you don't have to watch the tutorial, but sure is going to help you. Use Stellarium link. All of your instructions are here. So you're going to start with activity 1 and then go down the column. Start with activity and then go on to activity 2, go down the column, activity 3, column, activity 4, column, and then you'll see at the bottom there's a quiz. And don't forget about that review video. That review video is going to be hosted by your boy talking about some astronomy. Okay, so there's good stuff in there. Sorry if I ramble. It just, I don't know, happens. Exploration 2, make sure you note the essential question is always there. That's really the goal of what you're trying to do with these 4 activities. And by knowing what you're trying to accomplish or what you're trying to learn, it's going to help you as you go through. And then I need to highlight some more, and this is just a work in progress, and some changes will inevitably need to be made. But for now, this is what we're doing. So if you find yourself out for some time and you're not sure what to do, or you forget what all the colors mean, what is the bare minimum you need to do, you can reference this video. All right.